Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download Scarlet IPA app permanently iOS without any revokes. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all I'm going to go to this reputable website known as usescarlet.app, and here you have to download the Scarlet IPA from this link. So you can just come to usescarlet.app and download Scarlet IPA from here, or you can just Google it and download it from there. It doesn't really matter as long as it's from the official website. And then you have to make sure you're at least on the latest iOS 16 or 17 update. So the latest the last iOS 16 version that came, or iOS 17. Alright guys, and then you just have to download Scarlet from the official website like I told you guys earlier, and then you have to wait for the installation process to complete, and then just go to settings, general, VPN and device management, and select the app from the companies listed. Test the app to complete the installation because it's a third-party application, and then just download the IPA file that you want to install on your iOS device. Open Scarlet on your iOS device, tap the plus icon located in the top upper right corner of the screen. Select the IPA file you downloaded in step 6. Scarlet will start installing the IPA file on your iOS device. After the installation is complete, you should find the app on your home screen and be able to launch it. So this is how you do it guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.